Now to get this big piece all set, we gotta decide how to start. And one place that we know for sure is that our center notch should line up with our center that I've marked on the chair. I have my center mark, I have my center notch, and my first couple staples are just going to be to line those up. So there again, center notch, center line. Back here, we're going to try and staple right on top of the rail. In order to put fabric on furniture, we have to make a lot of cuts to fit around the wood frame. On our chair, the first cut we'll make is a Y-shaped cut. It's hard to see on Aunt B with the old fabric and padding in place, but in order to anchor our sides, we need to cut around a board that's about 1.5 inches wide. Once we mark where our fabric will hit the corners of that board, we'll use those 2 points to create a letter Y. For this particular Y cut, it's a good idea to angle our cut and leave extra fabric on the nosing side since that's the part we'll see. Easement cuts take practice, so don't be frustrated if your first attempts are less than perfect. Sometimes we learn a lot by messing up. In the back corners, we'll use a simpler cut since our fabric runs into the corner of a board instead of the side. Again, it's tough to see what's happening on Aunt B with padding and fabric in the way. One trick is to use a regulator or long screwdriver to feel for the corner board. A lot of times you can tweak your cut to perfection once it's pulled through. All right, everyone, that's it for the deck and nosing. Next week, we get to go from this relatively complicated piece to a really simple step, which is going to be our front tack band. I'll see you then.